Hi, I'm Alex from PySpiders Rajajinagar. I'm a Python trainer. These are student Yusuf. He got placed in a company. Now he's going to share the experience about PySpiders.
Good evening. My name is Shaik Yusuf and I completed my bachelor's in AI and ML from PDA College of Engineering. I joined PySpiders as an incubation student in the month of June and it's November. I have completed almost the course and I got placed. So here Python trainers are very good. My Python was handled by Keshav sir and SQL by Vinod sir and Django by Alex sir. Here education and all is you can call it as an hands-on experience which requires for an guy to join in IT sector. It's nowhere like in theory. There are many screening tests and all, and mocks are really good, which help me to gain an hands-on experience during my interview days and all. And moreover, there are screening which is played a crucial role to improve my communication skills. And thanks to PySpiders for providing me such an wonderful training. Thanks a lot.
Okay. I wish him all the best for further career.
Thanks a lot.